This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Welcome to part 2 of growth hacking techniques. In this video, I am going to show you again 2 tips or must follow growth hacking techniques. Starting off with the third one in the part 2. Use paid ads to test headlines and images. If you run ads on Google or Facebook, it is a good way to not just to get traffic and get conversions, but also you can actually test the headlines and images. It is also called as A/B testing. So you can actually have 2 different ads of the same product, and then you can test that. That means you can see which of the ad or the image, whether it can be an image or image with the text, anything which you have designed, and you want to see which one is actually working out for you. Okay, so let's go a little deep into this so you'll have actually a clear idea. Once you create landing pages, there are 2 problems with testing landing pages. So when you're creating ads and you're putting a link of your landing page, then obviously people are visiting your landing page. You need to design the landing page in the way that you will get a better CTR. That means click-through rate. This is more of a term used in Google Ads or any ads rather, but Google Ads click-through rate is one of the factors which will make your ad actually pop up in the higher position. So testing landing pages is something that you want to actually focus on now, but there are 2 problems. So as you can see, this is one sort of landing page and this is the other one, more or less the same. You can see one image with the text here. It's the same. Is the guy which has some there's a text here, and then there are 2 videos. There's a video here, there's a video here. There's not much difference in that. But the problem is they may not get enough traffic. Why is that? Now people actually create landing pages through their web designer or someone, or maybe they take landing pages template, and they edit the template, and then it looks all good because the templates are good looking templates. But then does that work for you? That means you're spending money on ads, but are you getting any return? So according to the research, this may not get traffic. I'm not saying it will not get, but it may not get enough traffic. There are too many things to test. Okay, what are the things? Let's go back. There's a video here. People are not willing to play the video. It has been proven, especially in the landing page, if it is longer than 1 minute or so. There's another link here. There's a link, obviously, which has so what do you want to test? This is what the main ideology is. What do you test? Whether you test this button or this button or the video. However, what is the difference in this and this? Can you guess? So the difference is obviously this. That means most paid ads have all the key elements of a landing page. And what are the key elements? It has a headline, which is the headline link like this, body copy, which is the body copy here, and the image. Okay, remember that. Now this is the basic standard, and for growth hacking, again, it is the one of the technique what you need to follow, because any of especially the Google search engine would go through this when in the ads you put the link of your landing page, it will actually crawl your landing page and see if there are related keywords of the you have been putting the ads on and trying to rank on for ads. There is a quality score for landing page, and which increases obviously the click-through rate. Now, using paid ads for testing saves time and money. That is, of course. Now, if you look at these two ads here, this has got 35% click-through rate more than this, just because it has more let's say the punchline or the headline of this, or the name of the product here is growth hacking, and it's not digital marketing. All right, so growth hacking is where, so little things, but it makes a lot of difference. Similarly to this, it's the same 18 plus percent CTR, 136% CTR. Okay, similar looking landing page, but just the difference in here, which is the because once you look at the ad, your eyeballs are actually going in this direction, all right, by default, and what you look for is learn Rails. Okay, so it has been proven, and these are all of these proven examples what I am actually showing it to you. So landing pages is what we're talking about when you're running paid ads. Landing page has to have a specific body, description, image, and your topic. So headline, body, image, body copy, and image. Okay. Moving on to the next one, which is the fourth one, setting up redirects for link tracking. Now, this is very essential. I will tell you why, because most of the people would give one link, like in this case, we'll give the link of the landing page, and then you will not be tracking. So there will be no tracking happening. Normally people who are naive in digital marketing, they wouldn't know that you can actually track each and every link of what you've been posting on anywhere, whether it's on paid ads or whether it is on your landing page or on social media. Now, link tracking is very important because let's take this example. You have this link, okay, and this link. This link is actually tracked, and this is tracking your, obviously, this landing page, and you will have actually some data coming into your Google Analytics, which is of course free of cost. You can just create an account and put the tracking code on your website, and it will start tracking. But however, all the links, all the URLs of your website can be tracked. This lets you provide discount codes and do better tracking. How is what you might be wondering. You can use this for anywhere, as I said, social media, in the ads, flyers, anywhere. You can use bit.ly if you don't want to build your own. And there is another platform by Google Campaign URL Builder. So Google Campaign URL Builder is where you will go and create this tracking link. What happens once you create this tracking link, and let's say you post this in your Google Analytics, it will tell you the source, and it will tell you where it has come from. For example, I'm running ads on Google and I'm running ads on Facebook. Okay, I need to know that the visitors or the people who are coming and clicking on my link, and then they go on to my landing page, where exactly they're coming from and how many are there. Are they coming further? I can actually see whether Facebook is a better advertising platform for my product, or is it Google AdWords, and similarly any other platform where you're using. So just I'm not that technical, but if you can see and make a difference in this, you can see the source is this particular page, and you have a campaign name. So this UTM _ campaign name is this Manchester November 2014. Okay, so this it will track, and then you can have a better idea. So that why are we doing this is because we want to know, which platform is working well, because maybe we are spending lots of money on Google or Facebook or any other platform and running ads but we don't know which one is better of them. Maybe we want to stop one of them because it's just simply taking in too much money and there is no result. Okay, so 2 tips. And the next one coming up, the part 3 of this series, must follow growth hacking techniques. Take care. Bye for now. See you in the next one.